Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going straight to defining the bookmark. Pick the exact cell or range you want to jump back to. Once selected, click the name box at the left of the formula bar and type a concise name, no spaces, use underscore if needed. Alternatively, use formula's define name to add a description. This creates a stable anchor. The why is simple. Named ranges act as bookmarks in Excel, letting you jump or reference without scrolling. Make sure the name is unique for this workbook. Now link to that named anchor so you can immediately jump to it. Select the cell, text, or shape you want as your link target, press Insert Link or Ctrl+K. Choose Place in this document, then pick the named range you created. Click OK. Once done, you'll have an in-workbook hyperlink that moves the active view straight to the bookmark cell. This is the core execution step. Named range plus hyperlink equals a reliable bookmark. Test it and confirm the view and selection land exactly where intended. Finish by saving and organizing your bookmarks. Keep a consistent naming convention and document them if many exist. If a link fails, first use Ctrl+G go to and enter the name to see if the named range still exists. Often the issue is scope. Make sure the name scope is workbook, not an individual sheet. If a range was deleted or moved, redefine the name. Once corrected, update the hyperlink. This final check ensures your Excel bookmarks remain robust and easy to use.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.